Hi guys, it's Laila with Fancy Frog Creations. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, then subscribe to get to know me. So today, we're going to be doing this kit called Grow Butterfly from Creativity for Kids. You can get it on Amazon. Let's get started. So let me show you the stuff that came in the box. There's this mold that came in the box, the body, and then the 2 wings, some decorations, the spray bottle, a little shovel, this pipe cleaner that's shaped like 2 antennas, 2 little beads, some dirt, some seeds, and then you have your instructions, and then you'll need these little dots to connect the wings and the body. In order to make the butterfly mold look like the butterfly mold on the picture, we're gonna need to put the wings and the body underneath. Ta-da! This kit is for 6 years old to 96 years old. So I think it's pretty easy so far. Okay, now it's time to decorate the top. Yay! I don't know if it's that the kit is a few years old, but the stickers aren't sticking very well. Since these stickers aren't sticking, I'm going to try some glue. They really thought this whole thing through because the glue dots that they provided, you can still see them. See? And so it's really cool that they provided stickers so then you can cover it up. So far so good. I got everything done. I got my stickers in place. I got my wings and my body. I got my antlers. They provide holes in the mold. So I just poked the pipe cleaners up through, and then I put the little beads on, and then I wrapped the little pipe cleaners over it backwards so then you don't see the wrapping. And yeah, now it's time to prepare our station for planting. We're heading towards the final part. I'm kind of sad about that because this kit is really fun. So it says to put the potting soil in first. Doesn't show a picture, so I'm just gonna pour it in like how I want to. I forgot to use my scoop, and they said to use the scoop, so I'm using my scoop now. So I finished with that. Now they said to spray it till it feels wet completely. The next step is to put the seeds in. I'm going to use that scoop again because it seemed to be really helpful. It says mist the seeds heavily to keep them moist. And I don't know what mist means. I think that means spray it with water. Look how it turned out. Pretty good. I'll be back when it's all grown and there's plants everywhere. I just looked on the back of the box and oh my gosh, this was supposed to come with a grow light and it didn't. So my mom did some research and it looks like it's $35. And so my mom said no. So I'll let you know how it grows without the grow light. My review is this was really fun. So like it all worked out really well. They provided holes in it. But the one thing I thought was a little bit off, the stickers didn't stick on. And the grow light didn't come with it. But overall, I give this kit a thumbs up. And see you guys when it's all grown. Bye! Hey guys, I'm back with this butterfly kit. And as you can see, it did not grow. I watered it for 2 weeks. And I got tired of watering it. Over the time I also painted my name. As you can see, the seeds just stuck together. I watered it every day, and this is what happened. Also, my decorations are falling apart. I don't know why. You see the body fell off, and then the wings fell off. I'm gonna recommend this kit not to do. This is why I do this, because if it's bad, like if it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, I review it so then you can know if it is good or not to do, and if it will actually work. So I hope you enjoyed this video.